This is unacceptable.
I'm sorry. I don't understand.
I can't believe you would do something so stupid. Don't you know how things work around here?
Apparently not. What exactly did I do wrong?
How am I not being clear? Are you an idiot? Why would you think that purchase request was okay?
Did I not fill it out correctly? Am I missing a line item? Please, I would like to do better. Just let me know how to fix it and I would be happy to oblige.
You might as well wipe your ass with this purchase request.
I'm terribly sorry. So, you would like me to do it over again? And what exactly specifically would you like me to change?
I would like for you to not be a fucking idiot.
Well, okay then. Will do. Thanks for that terribly helpful advice. Now be sure to go suck a bag of dicks on your way back to your office.